Experience peaceful lakeside living on Big Lake, offering a seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor enjoyment. Step outside to a beautifully landscaped backyard that feels like a private retreat, complete with a large deck and patio ideal for entertaining or relaxing. With new sliding doors on both levels, updated flooring, March 2024, resurfaced kitchen counters, and fresh lighting, this home is move-in ready. The main floor offers 2 bedrooms, a full bath, a cozy sitting room, and a bright living room, all filled with natural light. The kitchen and dining area are open to a spacious family room, and there is also an additional 3/4 bath, and a flex room, perfect for guests or a home office. The double garage and yard shed provide ample storage, and the included dock and boat lift make lake life easy. Located on Big Lake in Stearns County, this property offers excellent fishing and boating opportunities. Enjoy the tranquility of lakeside living while being just minutes from the Richmond Chain of Lakes, 30 minutes to Street, Cloud, and under 90 minutes to the Twin Cities. Whether you're seeking a